The Brothers Whist. The Brothers Whist, Brothers Whist.
Hey everybody, it's Tommy with the Brothers Wisp. I'm here at Wispapalooza 2025 at the RadiARC booth, and here's a really cool product that I would really like for you guys to see. Phil, what is this?
Hi, Tommy. Thank you very much. I'm Phil with RadiARC Technologies. What we have here is a remote mechanical mount used for microwave dishes and all wireless antennas.
Okay,
So what it does is it works off of AISG, IP, any open architecture, any software at all that you use, it works with. This here is the gearbox. It will go azimuth 160 degrees.
okay. So really wide left and right.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, absolutely. 80 each direction. And this here is the down tilt, and the down tilt is good for 20 degrees up and down.
20 degrees both directions.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, cool. So we have a total of 40 degrees vertical we can go up, and 160 horizontal left and right we can go.
Yes.
Awesome. All right. And how big of an antenna can we put on here?
We can put it up to an 8-foot antenna on here. There's
Okay.
different sizes. The bigger the antenna, the bigger this piece would be. The smaller the antenna, obviously the smaller, you don't need that much room. So the
Okay,
smaller
so
it would be.
you're building it. This is a custom mount for whatever application you're bringing to the table.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. So then, I guess how big can we get?
Oh, it's good for. We tested it so far with. It's all certified. So far we've tested it for 250 pounds.
Okay, 250-pound antenna, and then how much wind loading is this able to hold?
It's certified for 150 mile an hour winds, sustained winds.
Okay.
It's certified, tested.
Oh, and then so what other is this? What environmental factors is this going to be able to handle?
So it's made for the military. So it's
Really wide temperature range.
yes. So it's good for minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit and good
Okay.
for 140 degrees temperature.
Oh wow, that gets really hot and really cold.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes,
and it'll work through all of that. For like the software that you connect with, what is that able to interact with? What other software is it? Like, is there any API that we can call that like my own software can interact with?
Yes, it's totally open architecture, so you can use any software that you are currently using. You use it on this as well.
Okay, cool.
So everything's made in the USA.
Okay.
That's very important to us.
So, okay. So, is this all in-house developed?
It is.
Okay. So, and I noticed that you were doing some of the programming. Did you have a hand in that?
A little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah. A little bit.
Okay. How do people reach out to you? How do they find your guys' company?
So it's RadiARCtech.com.
Okay.
You can reach out to us through the website.
Okay.
We're located in Wakefield, Massachusetts. We've been installing them on dishes and antennas for backhaul, for DAS systems. We'll put them on poles. We're putting them on power grids.
Okay. And I was actually seeing cows and colt, other stuff like that. What are colts?
So a colt is we put it on a colt where it's a cow is a cell on wheels, and a colt is like that. It's just a little bit of a deviation of that.
Oh, okay.
So, for instance, if you need more coverage, you bring it in to a stadium or something like that.
Oh, okay. All right. So, what other applications have your customers used this for?
We've used it on a lot of different applications. It's worked on, like I started to say, it's worked on towers, rooftops, DAS systems.
Okay. So sweet. And I see cows definitely as a really useful feature because you're always moving and then you get the radios up there and you need to be able to make fine adjustments, and cows tend to be very mobile, moving in
Exactly.
Bases. So
Exactly.
That makes a lot of sense.
It avoids somebody from climbing up,
Yeah.
or bringing the cow down, or climbing up there to make an adjustment.
Yeah.
So that's
you
the
keep
biggest
things
thing.
on.
to this meeting?
So you can schedule, instead of scheduling a crew and waiting a few days or a few weeks even, you can just make the adjustment yourself from your office, from your laptop, your phone, your anything, anywhere, anytime.
Sweet. So, and then how is that connected back? I see some cabling here. Is it just cabling running down the tower?
Yes, it does. It works right off the red cable.
Okay.
So you use a red cable, and then you plug this you take this into the antenna, and it comes up as a separate device. So if you want to move the down tilt, you hit the down tilt, and it will adjust the down tilt or the up tilt. And if you want to move it the azimuth, you just choose the azimuth.
Okay. Cool.
The gearbox.
What else? All right, so we talked about cows and colts a little bit.
Sure.
What other kind of cool applications have your customers found for this?
I think one of the coolest ones we have it on a high voltage pole.
Okay. So somebody's using that for connectivity?
Exactly. So they have a dish on the pole, and to make an adjustment to that dish, they have to actually turn the power down.
Okay.
And then climb the tower, and then go up, make the adjustment, and then come back, and then the power company turns the power back up.
Oh, that probably is pretty expensive.
Very expensive.
Yeah.
Very expensive, and it's not easy to coordinate with the power.
Yeah, no, they don't want to turn it off.
They don't. So they go up there a couple of times a year, and they make this one adjustment, and so now they don't have to climb. They don't have to get the power company involved, and they're making they're saving all that money.
Yeah, that's a huge benefit. Tower climbers are not cheap, and it's a huge cost to coordinate and get them growing.
Absolutely.
There was another one that you were just mentioning.
So we also have put them on a radio station in New York. We have one where it has the 3 passes I was talking about earlier.
Oh yeah. They're pre-programmed
Yes.
locations that you can do. Yeah. Oh, you just mentioned that. Okay.
So it's on an emergency channel. So if that one goes down, what they're pointing at, if that one path goes down, they can automatically just press a button and it will automatically go to the second path.
Oh, okay. So you basically have failover without having to have 2 separate radios and all the programming and complexity that comes with that. You can just flip the switch and you're good to go.
Exactly.
Oh, that's super cool. All right. Well, Phil, this has been really cool. These are really cool applications, and I hope we're going to have a link down below to RadiARC's website.
Great.
And hit them up. They've got we'll have emails and all that other stuff as well.
Sure, we're here to help. Thank you.
The Brothers Wisp. The Brothers.
You're now listening to Greg, it's the Brothers Wisp. Let's take a ride through space on this mothership. Wireless networking, we talk about equipment and methodology, so sit back and start learning. Lighten up the tower so people can start searching. Shooting up the web in neighborhoods, net surfing. We got horrible jokes, we're loud and annoying, but we're informative facts, we're not disappointing. Just give us a listen, cause fun is the mission. I'm telling you, you don't know what you are missing. Ideas and some good comedy given. If you missed the show already, don't worry, you're forgiven.